How to turn off airplane mode on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn off airplane mode on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to make sure that your airplane mode is turned on your device. And you can do that by looking at a airplane icon on top of your navigation bar or your notification panel. So as you can see here, I have gotten this airplane icon right besides my battery. That means my airplane mode is turned on. You can easily turn it off by going over to your navigation bar on your control panel. And as you can see, flight mode is currently turned on. So you just tap on this airplane icon to turn it off and your signals will be back again. If you don't see this here, what you can do is go to settings. And once you tap on settings, go to connections. From connections, you can find flight mode over here, tap on it, and then you can just toggle this on or off according to your need. If it's turned on like this, just toggle it off and your airplane mode will be successfully turned off. That's basically it guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.